Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C71 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Then let's tap on auto screen off, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short ones, and at the bottom the longest, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 10 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.